So the next question. Now this question, as you can see, involves texting. So we're going to use the handset now to text in an answer. So on your keypad here, you can see you've got all the letters of the alphabet, just like a mobile phone.
It is, isn't it? It is just like a mobile phone.
It is. So, of course, children are going to be much quicker than us. We're going to have to look really carefully. They'll probably do it with a handset underneath the table, but we're going to have to go carefully. So if I want letter F, I've got to press that key 3 times to get my letter F and so on. All right, so you actually text in the word. Now, of course, for English and literacy teachers, this is brilliant because they can get responses back in the right format, in text format, so they can see what sort of words children are giving them.
So actually, it would actually record if you spelt the word wrong.
Yes.
It would come up in the way that you'd spelt it.
Yes, yes,
okay.
It will. Like in the last question that we looked at where we got all those variety of answers, this will be exactly the same. Okay. All right, so I'll press green, we're away. So people can now text in what they think is the right answer. And you can see on your handset, can you see the word appearing?
If you happen to text the wrong letter, how can you take it back?
You can press the delete key and that deletes the last letter. So
right.
You see I've just deleted my H at the end and I'm now going to put it in again. And because it's H, I've got to press the key number 4 twice. And you can see I've got the word teeth ready on there.
Not that I'm copying you, obviously. I knew the answer to that one.
I've given you a couple of clues there. So
I think even I, even I might have got that one.
Okay.
And then again, it's a send.
And it's a send, to send that information in, because it's not sure when you've finished actually making your response. Back to the teacher handset, false or end. And again, my choice, where do I want to go? Let's have a look at that graph and see what response we've got. Ooh, teeths. That's interesting. We've got some teeths, a teeth, and we've got 6 correct answers, teeth. So that's, you know, we're seeing what different responses I've been given. Perhaps we need a spelling test as well at this point.
Maybe so, but I did get that one right. Can I just say I did get that one right?
Well done, well done. So we'll press play again and see where we are in the game. We've got a clever one in this class. Handset number 1. We've arrived at Tokyo, look, and they're still in the lead. So I think we've got one question left, so they may well be the winner. We'll wait and see. So we've got to a slide here which is to do with maths, obviously with number work. So I have a maths teacher, if I'm doing a mental maths test, for instance, brilliant, because I can put all my questions up in this way. And of course it's going to do all the marking for me, which is brilliant for me as a teacher.
I do like the animation as well. Again, it's being able to mix a bit of animation with some PowerPoint.
Yeah, we can use all that functionality of PowerPoint and do whatever we want with it. So if we're ready to answer, press the green button on the teacher handset.
Not that I feel under any pressure.
No. And now, again, put what you think the correct answer is and press send. Send your answer in. And again, I'm looking to see how many people have responded. I've got one person left. Somebody hasn't pressed send of that. There we go. So we've all responded. So again, I can press the red button. And then let's have a quick look, see what answers we've got. We've got a range here. So we've got some people who thought 21, 61, 62 or 95. Green is indicating that 61 was actually the correct answer. So we've got a few incorrect answers. That's okay. Remember, we can scroll through, look at the pie chart, look at the table, see who's answered what, see how long it took them to work it out. So you can see handset number 2 there, took them quite a long time to work that one out, but they got there in the end, so that's okay.
And handset number 1 is extremely bright and quick.
They are, yes, yes, indeed. Let's have a look at the game, see who's in the lead still, see if it's still handset number 1.
Number 1.
Looks like it.
Have you got handset number 1?
No, that's not me. Not me. There we go. We've arrived at the Opera House and looks like they're going to be in the lead. So when I close that down now, there, and try and go forward again at this point, it's now going to tell me, congratulations, handset number 1, you have won the race. You've answered the most questions correctly in the quickest possible time. So we could have a round of applause at this point, couldn't we?
We could.
Celebrate that.